Today I will make dough for pizza. I make 1 cup of the flour. That's I'm using the Wallaby brand of flour, 1 cup, and then this is 1 teaspoon of yeast, and then half teaspoon of salt. We mix all together. And then I will pour the water bit by bit. This 100 gram. You have to pour the water in bit by bit. Okay, that's finished. So I cover with cloth and I leave it for a couple hours, and I will come back to make a pizza. Okay, thank you. After we make dough, and then we leave it for 2 hours. Now this is the dough is big now, become bigger. So now we start making the crust. So we start with the EOC and then turn on the EOC and then put the 65-degree for the moment. So while we are preparing all the everything, so you have to make it hot first. Make it hot first, the EOC. So if you have this. The small one would be better. Yeah. So now we make a crust. Good. This one is the crust is very good. Yeah, very good. So I think this is enough. And then now I'm preparing for the sauce for the pizza. So I bought the pizza Ramen pizza sauce, and then we mix with the tomato sauce. Yeah, mix with tomato sauce. Just this one for 1/3, and then the 2/3 is the tomato sauce. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay? And then the tomato sauce is organic Italian passato. So you can buy in Aldi or you can buy anywhere. And also the sauce is depend on your cell. If you like something else, the sauce you can buy probably somewhere. And then you can also put some more powder. This one is the gourmet collection. So there is a pizza. There's a pizza here. I'll show you. It's a pizza palozza. So if you like this, and then you can put also a little bit here. Yeah, you can put a little bit. Okay, I've already prepared. And then also put a little bit garlic salt. Garlic salt, a little bit here. Yeah. Put a little bit garlic salt here, because sometimes people like the what you call as a bit salty. Yeah, so I put a little bit, just a little bit, to make it taste a bit nice. Okay, and now I put in EOC. Put in EOC. Okay. Put in EOC to exactly right. I think this is enough. And then also I cut the cheese, the block cheese, and then I put in the edge of the crust, and then don't forget, before you do everything after this, you have to set the temperature to 185. Okay? 185, and then don't forget that one. Yeah. So now I make this for the whole edge of the. So it's look like this. Yeah, it's look like this. It's look like this. You can have a look. Yeah, it's look like this. Okay, now next step is put the sauce. Now the next step is I put onion, because I will make the vegetable pizza, so I don't put any meat, just only vegetable. Yeah, so I think this is nice to make the vegetable pizza. Well, you can put any topping. Yeah, whether brown or salami, ham, whatever, or tuna, salmon, squid, whatever. Yeah, but I like this the vegetable one. Okay, I put this is around half of the onion, and then also I put the olive. Put olive. And also now I put the capsicum, the red capsicum. You can put the green capsicum, whatever you like. So just put, and This is the cut mushroom, and then cut with saladmaster machine with cone number 4. Yes, so it's easy. That's all vegetables. And then the last one, the baby spinach. So the last one is shredded cheese. You can buy in Coles, in Aldi, and also in Woolwood. This one I bought from Aldi. Tasty shredded cheese is already for use. That's if you see this one, okay, that's good. And now I cover this one, and the next step with the EOC is set the temperature or set the timer 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 or 16 minutes. Yeah, that is around that one. If you feel that the EOC is not warm enough when it start, so you could put 16. If it's already warm, just put 16 or 15. Okay, and set that one, and then close this one for 10 minutes. 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes, so it's 185 degrees. And then the second 5 minutes, so 120 degrees. So we have to reduce the temperature after 5 minutes to 120 minutes at 20 degrees. And after that, we the last 5 minutes, so we open. Okay, so we have to wait this one for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, 185 degrees, so now the timer is already showing 10 minutes. So now we reduce the temperature to 120 degrees. And then after that, we have to wait for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then next 5 minutes we have to open until finished. Okay. Okay, now it shows 5 minutes left. Now you have to open this lid. Open the lid. Let's have a look first. Have a look first. Yeah. So now we just open this lid until finish. So another 4 minutes. Just leave it until. Let's have a look. 1 minute. We have to wait for 1 minute. Okay. So to prepare, to make pizza from preparation until finish, it's about 20 minutes. Let's have a look. It's finished. It's finished. Yeah, the pizza is finished. Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah. So it's easy. Yeah, it's easy. So we don't put anything, whether oil or on the top of this EOC. So I just put the crust in and that's it. but there's nothing here. Yeah, so it's very good. It's very good. EOC is very good for making the pizza. Okay. And then it is crunchy. It is crunchy. I'll show you later. Okay, this is, I'll show you. And have a look the bottom of the pizza. The bottom is very good. Yeah, very nice. And then also the veggie also still green. So that tastes very nice. Okay, I'll try. Yummy. Okay, you can try at home to make a pizza using the EOC. And then just to remember, when you prepare for the crust, and then turn on the EOC 65 degrees. Leave it and then prepare everything. After you prepare the crust, push the crust here and then set the EOC 185 degrees. And then put the sauce, put the topping and everything. When finished, close the EOC and then set the timer. Yeah. After 5 minutes, so the EOC will show, the timer will show 10, and then you reduce the temperature to 120 degrees. And then wait for another 5 minutes. One is showing 5, and then you open the EOC, just move the lid a little bit like this. So that's the what you call to make pizza with EOC. Please try, enjoy, and then enjoy with the pizza. Thank you.